G'day, Aaron from Boostock. Quick overview on the RB20 baffle plate kits that I've just recently released. So the kit comes with the two baffle plates, one for each rocker cover and two long splash plates. It's a good little kit. Comes with most things you need. You will need some extra studs, and the part number for the Nissan stud kit will be listed on the website, or you can buy a Tom A or a ARP, whatever suits you. It'll come with retaining screws to retain the plate into the cover. It'll come with some baffle media and a drill and a tap for the screws. So in the 20s and 25s, the Nissan option is this aluminium blind rivet styled setup, and you need to drill those out. So here's one I've already gone and done. I've drilled them all out. You just lift this plate. Basically it comes out of the head. This is the inside that you never get to see. You can see how crusty this is. This is actually a pretty good one. So you take that out. Here's a plate I've just sort of slipped into the position. Shows the media. We keep the original filter screen. We just clean that and put it back in. Add the media. Pop that down. Add the screws, and away we go. I tend to seal this with sealant like Nissan did factory. Works well. Why change a good thing? So like I said, you'll need some extra studs. I use nylox and a washer just to hold these down. Makes a nice neat fit. And you'll notice that there's holes in the baffle plate. That's for these studs to protrude into, because these covers are actually slightly lower than the 26s and they need that to fit. You can see, even without a gasket, it fits quite nicely. So once you open this up, you can see how nicely that works and how much harder the oil has to work to get out the rocker cover breather now. It's a good little kit. These will be on the website later today, and the 25s are coming hopefully next week. There's just a little variation between the 20s and 25s, and one of these screw holes goes from here to here on the 25s, so this plate will be retrofitted and have both screw holes. So the 20 guys will put the screw in here and the 25 guys will go in there. Apart from that, it's all straightforwards. Anyway, hope that helped you guys out, solve some of your oiling issues. Keep on motoring. See yous.